guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is going to be another cooking video, and I'm gonna make sure you see the food. My brother's in there watching SpongeBob. I'm a little sick. I'm sick. That's why I'm not at school right now. Yeah. So I'm finna make me some breakfast because my mom is at work. I'm just here. My brother's watching some SpongeBob. I put it on for him because he's sick with me, but. Let's get the grill. You don't see it right now. Wait, I'm gonna have it over here because you can see the food. Actually, but first let's get the ingredients, like period. I got the eggs. Let's make some pancakes. Don't we got pancake butter? Yes, sure. Bacon or sausage? Turkey bacon only, buddy. Cheese for my eggs. I always put the cheese. But Sean don't like eggs. Keep that in mind. So that's breakfast today. I'm gonna be cooking everything on the griddle except for so you can see it perfectly over here. Let's go get the thing. Let's go for the oven. It really doesn't matter. Be careful with this because you can burn yourself. I'm not a trained professional. I did this a couple times. My cousin, my niece, taught me how to do this, so well, I don't know if she might. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. Let's turn. We turn it on to 250. If you're making breakfast, 250. Let's go get the ingredients. I love it. We're gonna put this stuff right here on the waffle. No, I'm gonna make some waffles. Yeah. With our waffle maker. Let's cracking up with this bacon though, like period. Okay. Let's say period a lot. Okay. Ha. Come on. It's hard to open bacon. I like the part that you. Come on. Oh, that bacon. How many pieces of bacon? Rashawn? Rashawn? Yeah? How many pieces of bacon? How many pieces of bacon? Rashawn? How many pieces of bacon? I want 3. Is that right? Let's get this bacon back, baby. Whoa! Oh, this is the new one? I think it is. Well, do you know this though? Oh, oh my God, let's do Paw Patrol. Whoa. Hey, don't be judging me because I'm singing Paw Patrol.
Yeah, this is a good. Then that's for Frosty Pup. Oh, there's
Oh.
coming on in 3 hours.
Huh?
A movie coming on in 3 hours. See? Bumblebee movie coming on in 3 hours.
Okay. Make sure you have a fork. A fork cooks the best. With the eggs in the bacon. You're checking. You're checking on my bacon, baby. Oh, John. Oh, John. Oh, John. I think it's time for me, not professional. Now it's time for the eggs. We're gonna pour it over here. Oh dang, I forgot to. Oh my god, I'm always. Maybe this was a bad idea. It looks like I'm making an omelet, y'all. And if you ever forget to put the cheese in there, you gotta hurry up and put that cheese in there. I know you guys did not see me putting the cheese in there. Yes, I did wash my hands before this. Always wash your hands before you cook.
Man, I just heard some bubble come on 3 days. Are you looking at?
Yeah. It don't even take a long time to make eggs either. I'm very quiet right now. Let me taste it. I'm not putting it on the ground. I got a plate. This is scary. Because I don't want to get popped. The bacon ain't picking up. Okay. Done with that one.
Oh.
And now, hold on, let me put these eggshells up.